The information we need to provide to be able to download PVFs for our chains are listed under the data input and the menu bar. The 3D Data Manage contains the list of pages that needs to be filled out. First is the project setup. The project name and the design phase are grayed out because we have already set them during project creation. These can only be edited in the Axesse main dashboard using the Edit Project icon. Type in a preferred project abbreviation, your client's name. For the project zones, we are seeing 2 because we have only created 2 infrastructures, the Western Road and the Eastern Road. You can see the infrastructure names here as well, and the 12-leaf model boundary name. The PVF ID number is 0 since we haven't downloaded any parameter value files yet. It will change to 1 once we do our first download and is automatically incremented by 1 for every download made. You can choose from the report types available between base model and option variation. The base model is used for project zone quantities, while the option variation is for the particular area or alternative options. We'll be discussing option variations in a different video. There are 3 reports calculation types. You have to take which type of reports you want to generate. Quantities via zone boundary would give you general earthworks quantities such as clearing and grubbing, cut and fill volumes. While the second one, pavement volumes and areas via area or zone boundaries would present quantities that involve the materials and earthworks needed for pavement surface. I'll be taking these 2. The third one, drainage quantities. It is to be ticked if there's a drainage or stormwater model to be quantified in your project. For this, you will need to have a 12D drainage license to run the reports. Zones to quantify. Select a zone which you want to export quantities for, or tick all zones if you need reports for each zone.